We will continue our discussion on the drawbacks related to our mathematics from 1 to infinity. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about E, and we are looking at the financial deposit and interest context. Continuous compounding interest is the E plays a role. This is what yesterday we saw. We will see another example to make this idea, the relevance of these numbers. Okay. Imagine there is a very popular new movie showing at the local theatre. It's a romantic comedy, and hundreds of couples, many more than the theatre can accommodate, are lined up at the box office. They disappear to get in. Once a lucky couple get their ticket, they scramble inside and choose two seats right next to each other. To keep things simple, let us suppose they choose their seat at random, wherever there is room. In other words, they don't care whether they sit close to the screen or far away on the outside or middle of the room. As long as they are together, side by side, they are happy. And let us assume no couple will ever slide over to make room for another. Once a couple sits down, that's it. No courtesy whatsoever. Knowing that the box office stops selling tickets as soon as there are only single seats left. Otherwise, browse footstool. At first, when the theatre is pretty empty, there is no problem. Every couple can find two or three singles. But after all, the only seats left are singles, solitary, uninhabitable. Okay, and that couple cannot do. In real life, people often create these buffers deliberately, either for their courts or to avoid sharing an armrest with the couple sits in. In this model, however, these shapes are just happen by chance. Okay. The question is, when there is no room left for any more couples, what fraction of the theatre seats are unoccupied? And here the answer in this case of the theatre with many seats turns out to be upwards to 1 upon E square. That is 0.135. That is 13.5% of the seats go to waste. See, here actually the calculation is somewhat tedious, but yet we can understand the appreciation of the goal of the E. Okay, thank you.